course, Glenn has been my good friend and best friend for how many years from now? Since high school. And I have met me, our other classmates dito sa table sa Nailikod. And what can I say? I don't know, no? Because I'm not married. But yan na. Pwede ba naman ba? No. One thing I could remember is that when you get married daw, sometimes you lose sight of your wife or your husband kapag ka tumanda na raw po sila. But I remember this when the priest told that remember the goodness that you saw in each other, and that will bring back the love from each other. So I guess, Gregor, whatever you saw, whatever goodness you saw in Glenn, I know it's not only a goodness, but you saw many things about Glenn, and so do you also, Glenn. Whatever you see, the goodness inside Gregor, when you grow older, when you're already in age, siguro balikan natin yung kung ano yung nakita niya sa isa't isa. And I hope you will live happily ever after. But I know it's not a bed of roses, but I think you will make it. You make a good couple, right, friends? Di ba? They make a good couple. So, congratulations, and I hope the best for all of you, and especially for our couple. Congratulations.